Hello guys, welcome to Law Putra YouTube channel and our today's topic is Section 8 under Right to Information Act. So first of all, what does it mean by right to information? It means that any Indian citizen can request for public information to the offices and departments of state government and central government. However, some confidential information which is of secretive nature need not be revealed. They are known as exclusion clauses or exemption provisions of RTI Act, which are covered under Section 8 of this Act. The government need not reveal information regarding matters mentioned in the Section 8 of RTI Act. These are 8 exemption provisions and we will look at it one by one. The first one is national security. There are some pieces of information which are related to nation's security and they cannot be revealed out by the government. For example, if you want to know about the army of our country, the government need not reveal it because it is a threat to national security. Next one is national economic interests. Information about exchange rate, taxes, the regulation of banking, proposals for expenditure need not be revealed by the government because it is a threat to our national economy. The next is relationship with foreign countries. The government need not reveal its relationship with other countries. The next is law enforcement and judicial process. You all know that the information of witness and all such things has to be kept as a secret. So the government cannot reveal such information. Next one is cabinet and other decision making papers. Papers relating to discussions and meetings of cabinet are not revealed until the decision is made and it is released for the public. During the process of decision making, a level of confidentiality has to be maintained, and once the decision is made, the public has the right to access the information. Next one is trade secrets. Trade secrets come under commercial confidentiality and they are the privacy of the companies. The next one is matters concerning individual safety will not be revealed because information that puts a specific person's safety or liberty at risk should not be disclosed. For example, one person is complaining about corruption in the organization. The person's identity should not be disclosed because it takes care of his safety. Next one is that the information which comes under personal privacy need not be revealed to the public because the government has a collection of personal details of its citizens like the Aadhaar card, address, etc. The right to privacy requires that the government has to withhold such information and need not reveal such information to the public. So the main factors counting against the disclosure of information are those which are set out under Section 8 of the RTI Act. The reason behind these provisions is that it has to maintain the privacy and security. Now let us see how to apply the sections of RTI Act. Let us see how to apply Section 8(1) and 8(2) of the RTI Act 2005. Step 1. We have to consider whether all the requirements of any of the exemptions in 8(1) are satisfied. Step 2. We have to identify all the public interest factors for and against disclosure. For the disclosure, the public interest examples are government accountability, public participation, public awareness, promoting human rights. Matters relating to these can be disclosed because they are of public interest. What are against disclosure would be personal privacy, efficient regulation. These are the matters which are not disclosed to the public. Step 3 would be we have to assess the weight of each factor and decide whether the factors are against disclosure or they are for disclosure to the public. Public authorities must be able to provide evidence of all the factors that were taken into consideration, and if the government authorities are not willing to disclose any information, they must be able to provide proper reason under Section 8 as to why they are not willing to disclose the information to the public. Thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up to this video.